In the quest for luscious, healthy hair, the answer may lie not in expensive salon treatments or commercial products, but in your very own kitchen. Homemade hair masks are a natural, cost-effective way to nourish, strengthen, and rejuvenate your hair. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and natural oils, these DIY masks can address a range of hair concerns, from dryness and damage to frizz and lack of shine. Here, we explore some of the most effective homemade hair masks and how they can benefit your hair. Homemade hair masks offer numerous benefits. Natural ingredients. Free from harsh chemicals, homemade masks use natural ingredients that are gentle on your hair and scalp. Cost-effective. Most ingredients are commonly found in your kitchen, making these treatments budget-friendly. Customizable. You can tailor the masks to address your specific hair needs, whether it's moisture, repair, or growth. Nutrient-rich. Ingredients like avocado, honey, and eggs are rich in vitamins and proteins that nourish and strengthen your hair. The key ingredients for top homemade hair masks are avocado. Packed with vitamins A, D, and E, avocados are excellent for moisturizing and strengthening hair. Honey, a natural humectant. Honey locks in moisture and adds shine. Eggs, rich in protein. Eggs help to repair and strengthen hair strands. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which cleanses the scalp, and proteins that fortify hair. Coconut oil, deeply moisturizing and rich in fatty acids, coconut oil nourishes and protects hair. Bananas, high in potassium, bananas help soften hair and prevent breakage. 1. Avocado and honey mask. Ingredients are 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons honey. Start by mashing the avocado in a bowl until smooth. Add honey and mix well to form a consistent paste. Apply the mixture to damp hair, focusing on the ends. Leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and shampoo as usual. This mask is perfect for dry, damaged hair. The avocado deeply moisturizes, while the honey helps to lock in that moisture, leaving hair soft and shiny. 2. For the egg and yogurt mask. Get 1 egg and 2 tablespoons plain yogurt. Beat the egg in a bowl. Add yogurt and mix until smooth. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave on for 20-30 minutes. Rinse with cool water and shampoo. This mask is ideal for strengthening weak hair. This mask provides a protein boost that helps repair and fortify hair strands, making them less prone to breakage. 3. The coconut oil and banana mask includes 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Mash the banana in a bowl. Add coconut oil and mix until smooth. Apply to hair from roots to ends. Leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo. This mask helps to soften and hydrate hair. The banana provides essential nutrients, while coconut oil penetrates deeply to moisturize and protect. 4. The aloe vera and olive oil mask. Ingredients includes 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix aloe vera gel and olive oil in a bowl. Apply to your scalp and hair. Leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water and shampoo. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and promotes hair growth, while olive oil adds shine and moisture. This mask is great for maintaining overall hair health. Use the homemade hair masks by applying to damp hair. Damp hair allows for better absorption of nutrients. Massage. Gently. Massaging the mask into your scalp can improve blood circulation and enhance the benefits. Use a shower cap. Wearing a shower cap while the mask is on can help trap heat and open hair cuticles for better absorption. Rinse thoroughly. Make sure to rinse out all the mask to avoid residue buildup. Regular use. For best results, use these masks once a week. Homemade hair masks are a fantastic way to nurture your hair naturally. By incorporating these treatments into your hair care routine, you can enjoy the benefits of stronger, shinier, and healthier hair without the expense and potential harm of commercial products. Experiment with different ingredients to find the perfect mask for your hair type and needs, and enjoy the luxurious feel of salon-quality hair treatments at home.